Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to revise chapter 4 from your book, that is fractions. So in fractions the topic that we are going to start with is addition and subtraction of fraction. So see students, example 1, we have to add 2 by 5, 1 by 4 and 3 by 20. So first write down the quotient with plus sign or with addition sign. The next step is to make the denominator same. Here students, the denominators are different. The denominators are 5, 4 and 20. So the first step is to make the denominators same. So for making the denominator same, we have to take out the LCM of the denominators. So the denominators are 5, 4 and 20. So take out the LCM of 5, 4 and 20. So the LCM is 5 into 4 is equals to 20. Now next, after taking out the LCM, we have got the common denominator. Now see, 2 by 5 has 5 as the denominator. Now we have to make 5 as 20. So we have to multiply it by 4. So we have to multiply 4 in the denominator and with the numerator also. So on multiplying it we get 8. Now next denominator is 4. Now we have to make 4 as 20. So we have to multiply it by 5 on both the numerator and the denominator side. So on multiplying 1 with 5 we are getting 5. Next 20. So the common denominator is 20. So here we have to multiply it by 1. So multiply 1 on both the numerator and the denominator side. So what we get? 3. Now add it. 8 plus 5 plus 3 is 16 by 20. Now we have to convert it into lowest term. Now see, 16 and 20 comes in which table? It comes in the table of 1, 2 and 4. So now find out the greatest one. Find out the greatest one out of 1, 2 and 4. Which is the greatest one? The greatest one is 4. So we have to divide 16 by 20 with 4. Now after dividing it, we get the answer, that is 4 by 5. Now student, see the second method. It is the shortcut method to do the additions of fraction. So now the first step what we have seen is we have to make the denominators same. How we can do it? Now first see students, which denominator is the greatest? 20. Now see, 20 comes in the table of 5 and 20 comes in the table of 4 also. Now so the LCM will be 20. The greatest number will be the LCM because it comes in the table of both the smallest denominators. Now the LCM is 20. After that we have to follow the same step. Now we have to change 5 to 20, 4 to 20 and 20 is same. Now to make 5 as 20 we have to multiply it by 4 on both the numerator and the denominator side. Now to make 4 as 20 we have to multiply 5 on both the sides, that is numerator and the denominator sides. Now 20 into 1 and 3 into 1. Now add 8 plus 5 plus 3 is equals to 16 by 20. And now again we have to convert it into the simplest or the lowest form. So how we can do it? First we have to find out the factors of 16 and 20. Now find out the common factors of 16, 20. The common factors of 16 and 20 are 1, 2 and 4. Now out of 1, 2 and 4, which is the highest common factor? The highest common factor is 4. So we have to divide the numerator and the denominator side by 4. So after dividing 16 by 4 we get 4, and on dividing 20 by 4 we get 5. So our answer is 4 by 5. So that's all. So students, the next topic that we are going to deal with is subtraction of fraction. Now see the example 1. We have to subtract 3 by 10 from 4 by 5. So we have to write 4 by 5 first minus 3 by 10. Now students, the first step is to make the denominators common or denominators same. So here see which is the greatest denominator. The greatest denominator is 10. Now we have to see whether it comes in the table of 5. Yes, it comes in the table of 5. So the LCM will be 10 or the common denominator will be 10. Now we have to make 5 as 10. So how we can make it? We have to multiply it by 2. So we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So on multiplying 4 multiplied by 2 we get 8. Now minus, on multiplying 10 with 1 we get 10, and we have to multiply it with numerator also. So 3 into 1 is 3. So what is the answer? The answer is 5 by 10. Now we have to see that in which table 5 and 10 comes. So 5 and 10 comes in the table of 5. So we have to divide 5 by 5 and 10 by 5. So the answer is 1 by 2. So students, we always have to convert the answer in simplest form or the lowest form. Now see example number 2. We have to subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. So first see which is the greatest denominator. It is 6. But here it does not comes in the table of 4. So what we have to do? We have to take out the LCM of 6 and 4. So see, after taking the LCM we get it 12. Now 12, after doing 12, now we have to make 6 and 4 as 12. So how to make 6 as 12? We have to multiply it by 2. So if we have multiplied it by 2, we have to multiply the numerator also by 2. So after multiplying we get 10 minus, we have to make 4 as 12. So we have to multiply it by 3. So multiplied by 3 on numerator also. So multiplied by 3. So 10 minus 9 is 1. So the answer is 1 by 12. It is students already in the lowest form. So the answer is 1 by 12.